And to prioritize your task. What does it mean? Often you get a task and you don't know how to approach it. Is the task important? Is this task urgent? Whether to do it now or later? How and why? To understand this, there's an Eisenhower matrix. What is matrix? A 2x2 matrix. So assume that there is an x-axis and a y-axis. On x-axis, you are asking whether the task is urgent or can be done later, yes or no. And on the y-axis, you are asking whether the task is important or not, yes or no. And this will give us 4 sections. Every task in your life will fit into one of these 4 sections. For example, if you want to watch Instagram reels, then is it urgent? Not at all. You can watch it later. Is this important? Absolutely not. It will not make a difference if you don't watch it today or later. So if you do it, it is either urgent, not important, isn't it? It absolutely doesn't mean that you should not do it. It means that the importance of this task is the least among the 4 sections. So now, which has the highest? Something which is important as well as urgent. For example, God forbid, if you get a call from your parents and that there has been an accident or somebody has gotten ill, then and they are asking you to come quickly, then there could be nothing more important than this. This is urgent because it needs to be addressed right now, and it is important too because they are your parents, and that is why you should know how to prioritize your task.